fishing.
Hey guys, Mercedes Mike here again. Cruising down the road in Oklahoma. Just left Oklahoma City, heading down to Davis to see a friend. Looks like I'm in Grady County. Not on the freeway yet. I think I'm working my way to the Interstate 35. I think. I don't know. Following this silly computer thing. But yeah, I got got some interesting news. Oh man, this could really make my trip ridiculous. So many of you are familiar with Hoovies Garage, and I watch his videos every time they come out. Love him. I think they're a riot. Love what he does. Love the cars he buys. It's amazing that he's come as far as he has with the purchases. Oh my gosh. But today he had a video. He was running around looking at some fairly junky cars on a lot somewhere. I don't know. Presumably in Wichita area. And he came across a late 70s, early 80s Mercedes 300 CD. Now, I've wanted a Mercedes coupe like that, of that vintage 123 body style, chassis, whatever. I've wanted one of those for a long time. And, you know, this is pretty rough. It's a wreck, but it is a diesel and it does run. And the transmission went in gear, all that stuff. And he said he will give it to whoever has the means to take this home and fix it up and do some YouTube videos on it. And I thought, oh my gosh. I mean, I kind of tried to catch up with him when I was in Wichita and it didn't work out. He was busy or didn't see my email or whatever. And now he puts this video out. I mean, I'm blown away. I'm like, oh no. This is like, this is exactly what I want but do not need. So I sent him an email, and then I sent him another email, and then I sent him another email. And I'm sure I'm blowing him up by now, and I know he's got, you know, a gazillion subscribers, and there's probably all kinds of people emailing him. So I have no idea if he's even gonna get down to mine. I don't know how many he's got to read through. I mean, I don't know. Maybe he'll read my email and go, ha, Mercedes Mike, Mercedes car, YouTube channel. I don't know, we'll see. But he says he's gonna choose by today, or he said he wanted the emails by today. He didn't say when he was gonna choose. But whatever, he's got enough email for me to probably annoy him and many others, whoever's reading those emails. I don't know if he reads them all himself, but that could be a very interesting turn of events. That may cause me to turn around and go back to Wichita. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I mean, it'd be a hoot to do a video with Hoovie and all those guys. You know, as you know, I stopped and met the car wizard. That was pretty cool. He was a real nice guy. He's got a cool channel too. Anyway, just a bit of news. I thought it was interesting. I think it'd be fun if I went and picked up a car while on this road trip. I mean, whatever, man. It's all fun and games. We'll see if it goes down that way. Aside from that, I'm heading down to Davis to see a good friend I've known for a lot of years. I haven't seen him in a while. That'll be fun. I mean, that's the best part about this trip, is going to see everybody that I haven't seen in ages, or, you know, it's hard having friends all over the country. Haven't had a chance to gamble out here yet. Gamble as in pick up some trash off-road. I'm looking forward to that this evening. I think my friend has an off-road area planned for me. I'm not sure. He's not a gambler, but he might be after he sees this silly thing. I don't know. We'll see. He's a pretty busy guy anyway. He's usually out on the road traveling, but he's actually home. We're gonna run around, probably do a video together, maybe tell some silly stories. I don't know. We'll see what's in store. But so today was also a fun day in Oklahoma City. My boss and a bunch of my coworkers work there at Tinker Air Force Base, and I haven't met most of them ever. And I've worked on this contract for 19 years. I've worked for, you know, worked for this boss on and off for 10 or 15 years, and with several of these technicians for, I mean, just many, many years. Just never met them, you know. I see him on our Skype calls, but we don't usually run video. In fact, we don't ever run video. And you know, my job is to work remotely for remote sites for the Navy, and you know, I just never met these people. It's amazing. Talk to them all the time, but so to roll in today, you know, and introduce myself, it was pretty funny. It was pretty cool. You know, earlier on this trip, I've introduced myself to a couple of my other technicians in other remote areas, Kansas City and Wichita, and that was cool. You know, same thing. Never met them. Talk to them all the time. But you know, there was 4 technicians and the ops lead and the big boss all in Oklahoma City, and it's kind of cool to actually meet. It's just fun. That was pretty much my day working. Yeah, I'll call that good for right now. Talk to you guys in a bit.